Hi everyone, my name is Christina, and for this presentation, I will be answering the question, what are gemstones? Specifically, what minerals are they composed of? So this presentation will answer what gemstones are, what they are made of, types of gemstones, and some exceptions. So let's begin. What are gemstones? Gemstones are naturally occurring minerals, rocks, or organic materials that are valued for their beauty, durability, rarity, and are cut and polished for use in jewelry or decoration. This is some examples of different types of gemstones. Here in this picture, they are displayed in different cuts like oval, round, to show how each stone can look when polished and set for jewelry. What are gemstones made of? Most gemstones are minerals. Since gemstones are selected from minerals for their appearance and durability, most gemstones are simply special varieties of minerals. In geology, a mineral is a natural occurring inorganic solid with a definite chemical composition and crystal structure. They are mostly formed in Earth's crust as crystalline mineral structures, though some, like amber or pearls, are organic. So these are common gemstone materials, and most gemstones actually come from a few main mineral groups. So first we have quartz, which is really common, but different colors like amethyst are used as gemstones. Then we have corundum, which forms ruby and sapphire. They're really hard minerals, almost as hard as diamonds. Beryl is another group, and that includes gemstones like emerald and aquamarine. Diamond is made of pure carbon and is the hardest natural material. You also have groups like garnet and feldspar, which include stones like moonstone. And then there are other minerals like topaz and opal that don't really fit into one big group. Fun fact, it is common that many gemstones connect with birth months. For example, peridot is the stone for August. What are the exceptions? Some gemstones are not minerals, although most gemstones are minerals, but a few are really organic, meaning they come from living things. So pearls are made from inside like oysters when layers of calcium carbonate build up around it. Amber is fossilized tree resin, so it actually started as a sticky sap millions of years ago and hardened over time. Coral comes from marine organisms, and what we use as gemstone is their hardened skeleton. So unlike mineral gemstones, these form through biological processes instead of geological ones. Why do these matter? They're special and used in various different cases. Gemstones matter more than just looks. They have been used in jewelry for thousands of years and often represent wealth or cultural meaning. They're very valuable because they're rare and take a long time to form. Some, like diamonds, are even used in tools because they're so hard. And scientifically, gemstones can tell us about how the earth formed deep underground. So they have very good scientific value as well. Okay, so now we're going to play a little game of Guess the Gemstone. So these answers we're all hinted throughout the presentation. So the first question is, I am a light green and a birthstone for August. Okay, the answer was peridot. So this is this beautiful green crystal. And yeah, like I said, many different months. I believe like my birth month, October, is pink, and they all change throughout the year. Next is, I'm a rich green gemstone often associated with royalty. So there's another green gemstone. And the answer is emerald. Okay, I'm a deep red gemstone symbolizing passion. I think this is a very popular gemstone. It is Ruby. Okay, to conclude, most gemstones are minerals with unique properties, and their different compositions create the variety we see. Some gemstones are organic, which shows they don't all form the same way. Overall, gemstones are valuable, not just for their beauty, but also for what they tell us about Earth. Thank you guys for watching.